Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your fifth unit first lesson, the treasure within part 1. So with this lesson has two parts, the treasure within part 1 and treasure within part 2. So now in this class we will discuss about part 1 and the next class we will discuss about part 2. So what is there in part 2? So here it is an interview. So the HC Hafiz architect is that is Hafiz HC Hafiz contractor, he is a person, and Bela Raja, he is a interviewer, that is the editor. So here this person Bela Raja is interviewing HC. So HC is a contractor. What happens, this occurring in a this HC learned or studied in a Valley School, Bangalore. So what happened, this HC is saying that I used to get a nightmares, that is the dreams, not now, it is coming from the 5 years and now it is not coming. And this Bela Raja is saying that what are that dreams and how it is disappeared and how used to come. And this HC says that it is a very terrible dream that I went for the max examination and I don't know nothing, and I am repeatedly going for the examination. Then this Bela Raja says that share with us some memories in your childhood. Then this person Hafiz started his childhood memories. He says that I am not at all interested in studies. I used to play games, I used to play jokes, I used to play pranks on others. This is very important for me on that days. I don't want to study and I don't want to even open my books at the free time. But I used to play jokes on others, I used to do pranks, I used to play games. Every week I will get a prizes on games, but I don't not at all interested in studies. Up to second class I have studied, first year and first class and second class, but after coming to third class that interest has gone on studies and I am not able to study, or I am not able to concentrate on my studies, and I used to play games, and all the teachers used to scold me and I not at all want to open my books. Then this HC Hafiz also says that that is I used to go for a movies and all, and one day I am playing and my principal sir words changed me a lot. That is the principal called me and said that that is you are very good till now, and you are very good in that is all the things, but you are not good in studies. Now I am, that is till now I have seen you, but from tomorrow I would not able to see you. And what happened is, not able to see you, your father is not there and your mother only is struggling very much for your studies, and she had paid all your fees, but you are not studying. Please study, you will be bright in studies also. Then this 5 minutes conversation between the principal and the Hafiz changed him a lot, and when he came to 11th class, what he do is he used to study more and more and he used to get good marks. Then the principal sir said that I also not used to study I am a very good sportsman, and that is I always want to play the games. But after that, when I came 50% marks in my SSC, I did not step into the field and I concentrated on my studies. And that I used to always pray, eat, and I used to always study. And 50, that is I got second class in my SSC, and this is a 50% marks in my SSC. So here the principal sir said that that is construct yourself as your destination, that is compete with you. And this is my school memory, he said to his that HC Hafiz. And I did lot of other things, that is this Hafiz saying that I do lot of other things. Every weekend I used to go to movies. Then what I used to say is I didn't bought my lunch box, and he used to collect all, that is he used to collect all the money that I have didn't taken got my lunch box and please give me the money. And he used to collect the money from 50 to 40 students, and he used to gather that money and buy the movie tickets, and he used to go to the movies. And what happened, he used to eat his friends lunch box. And there is a gang of Hafiz, and he was the gang leader of that, and he used to have a fights with that friends also. And when you are that is this Bella Raja ask that if all are saying that you should study, all are pulling you, it is anything that is you suffered from any pressureness and all, then that is the Hafiz says that no, I didn't felt anything pulled, but all the teachers used to tell me that that you should study and all. Then this Bela Raja asks that what is the state of your mind. That is state of mind, it is okay, I am that is just lift up the hand and they would come me on. That is they used to do like this, and they used to come with me. And after that I became that is the people who are going to next class, they used to book my textbooks because the textbooks are very new. That is I don't want, that is I still in the whole year I will not open my textbooks, only I open my textbook before the examination. So my textbooks are very good, so people, that is the students of other classes used to book my textbooks. So this is all about my children, the childhood memory. I didn't used to study well. So this is all about this lesson. Part 2 we will discuss in next class. Hope you understand. Thank you.